You're so beautiful, Jasper. You're so beautiful. Your hair is so soft. Yeah. That's probably because you eat good food. Yeah. I love you so much. I'm so happy that you're in my life. Yeah. Are you happy too? That you're in my life? Hmm? Oh, look at those long whiskers you have. Mm. You have a new spot to sleep on. Every day or every week, you change your spot to sleep. Isn't that funny? Huh? But you say, that's okay, Mommy, because I'm the king. I'm the king of here. Yeah, so I could do that. You could do that, right? Yes, you could do that, sweetie. Yes, you could. Yes, you could. I love you. I love you. I love you.